After failing audience at the High Court of Original Jurisdiction issues, the Pokot South legislator David Pkosing is now at the Supreme Court seeking to have Raila Odinga and NASA coalition punished for boycotting the fresh presidential election, which he terms as sabotage and treasonous. Pkosing accuses the four NASA principals and their respective parties of violating the rights of 19.6 million voters when on the 10th of October they withdrew from the race and eventually called for their supporters to boycott the poll. And as the matter awaits mention, Chief Registrar of the Judiciary, Anna Madi, says that no petition against Monday's declaration of Uhuru Kenyatta as president-elect has been received. Any person interested has until Monday the 6th to do so and must serve IEBC and respondents within 2 days. Such respondents would include President Kenyatta. IEBC would also be required to file all election materials with the Supreme Court Registry by the 8th of November, comprising of all results declaration forms used in the repeat election. The Commission, President Kenyatta and other respondents would be required to submit their written submissions by the 12th, with the petitioner having room to file supplementary applications by the 13th of November. The Supreme Court would have between the 14th and the 19th to hear the petition, preceded by a pre-trial conference on the 14th of November. The Supreme Court judges must decide on the petition by the 20th of November, and should they agree to nullify the repeat presidential election, a fresh election would be ordered to be conducted by the 19th of January next year. Should they, however, uphold Kenyatta's re-election, he would be sworn in on Tuesday, the 28th of November. However, should no one go to court to challenge Kenyatta's re-election, he and his deputy William Ruto will be sworn into office for the second term on the 14th of November. Reports indicate the Assumption of Office Committee, chaired by Chief of Staff and Head of Public Service Joseph Kinyua, has begun meeting in preparation for such an eventuality. Sam Pkosing, live at 9.